Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a shortcut of a page or website in the Avast web browser. So let us dive into this. Now I stumbled upon this feature just recently here guys, so I can't really tell you how it works in long term, but I can tell you how to access it. So what you want to do is here in the Avast browser, navigate to your page. I will go for the sake of this tutorial with, you can go with a new tab or I don't know, google.com. Then click into these three dots and hover mouse over cast, save and share. And then click into create shortcut here, right? So what you want to do next is give the shortcut a name. Let's leave it like that. Google.com, click into create. And then guys, you can save the shortcut on your, or the shortcut will be saved on your device, right? So that's actually how it works. You can move it, for example, to another location on your device, and it will function as, if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, as, for example, these application icons, so you can access the website directly via the Avast web browser. Let me just remove it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.